Having good credit is essential in today's world. It's not just about being able to access loans or credit cards. Your credit score can affect everything from renting an apartment to getting a job. But what if you don't have the credit score you want? You may have made some mistakes or had some money setbacks in the past. The good news is that you can start to fix your credit at any time. You can quickly raise your credit score by taking a few steps. In this video, we'll talk about the 7 ways to rebuild your credit fast, so you can start enjoying the benefits of a better credit score. But before we move into the video, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get into the video. Number 7. Review your credit report. Your credit report tells you a lot about your credit past and helps you figure out how creditworthy you are. To begin, you can request a free credit report from these 3 major credit agencies: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian once a year. This report can show you if there are any mistakes or missing pieces of information that could be hurting your credit score. Don't worry if you find mistakes. You can dispute them and have them fixed. So take charge of your credit and get your free credit report today. Number 6. Pay bills on time. Managing your money means making sure you pay your bills on time. Late payments can add up fast and hurt your credit score, which can make it harder to get loans or credit in the future. But don't worry, there are easy things you can do to make sure you pay your bills on time. Start by paying off any accounts that are behind and then keep paying on time from then on. Set up regular payments or payment reminders to make sure you never miss a payment again. This will make your life even easier. With some planning and organization, you can keep your money in order and keep stress to a minimum. Number 5. Improve your credit utilization ratio. The next step you have to do is to maintain your credit utilization ratio because it can be a slippery slope toward debt. Not only can maxing out your credit cards hurt your bank account, but it can also hurt your credit score. So your credit utilization ratio comes into play. Based on your credit card limits, this ratio shows how much cash you can use. For the best credit health, experts say that your credit utilization number should be less than 30%. You can lower your ratio in a few ways, such as by paying off your credit card debt, keeping your sums low, and being careful when you close accounts. Number 4. Open a secured account. The best way to begin establishing a credit history is to open a secured account, such as a secured credit card. To open a secured account, you have to put cash down as collateral. This money will then be used as credit. By making responsible use of your secured credit card and making payments on time, you can build a good payment past and raise your credit score. But keep in mind that opening a new account can show up as a hard inquiry on your credit record. Number 3. Pay off your credit card weekly. If you have a limited credit limit or are prone to spending more than you earn, keeping track of your credit card debt might be challenging. But there's an easy way to keep track of your credit card amount and boost your credit score at the same time. Matt Hilland, a financial expert, says that paying off your credit card amount every week can do great things for your money. By making payments every week, you can keep a better eye on your amount and keep it from getting out of hand. Plus, when each month your credit card business will report your balance to the credit reporting agencies, it will show a smaller balance than if you only paid your bill once a month. This means that your credit utilization ratio will be lower, which is great for your credit score. Number 2. Call your inner circle for help. Your family and friends can help you build credit. There are a few ways they can do this, such as adding you as an approved user on their credit account, starting a joint account with you, or acting as a co-signer to help you get a loan you might not have qualified for otherwise. Number 1. Be careful with new credit. It's important to realize that this choice could affect your credit score. Your credit utilization ratio can be better if you have more credit available, but it's more important to pay your bills on time. A hard inquiry will be made on your credit record when you apply for a new credit card. Too many hard inquiries can hurt your credit scores. Lenders may also see multiple credit card applications as a sign of financial instability and be less likely to give you more credit. So by following these steps, you can quickly raise your credit score and enjoy the benefits of better credit health. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.